That is pretty cool what he's doing with it. Hey, kids up front. What are they next?
What?
Flynn. Flynn. Eva. Flynn. Turn around and look at me so I can get a picture of you with the elephant.
Don't stand up, don't stand up.
Slow. Just look at me. Very nice.
Lay down.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
That's beautiful.
Okay, time to go.
That would be really awesome. Then we'd really want to go camping after that, I'm sure.
Is this typical to be able to get this close?
Yeah.
Wow.
Plus the elephants, yeah, they're not.
If you try to look at me, I'll get one with you as well.
We have like
Until Doug gets in the way.
No, it happens. Alright, turn and look at me. Get your email address if you want to use those photos.
All the photos I can
But sometimes that's better because you just experience it. Like,
How many hours?
you can pull up here, I'm like taking pictures, and then I sit it down, I'm like, oh, right, there is an elephant right in front of me.